Okay, guys, so here we are on another lovely day. Yeah, the wind is picking up a bit, so you couldn't hear anything I was saying. But yeah, we're heading on our way over to St. Vincent, heading into Kingston Harbor, where we're going to be picking up a few other folks, and we're going to be heading on down the coast to the Falls of Balen. The weather is amazing today. We don't have too much wind. There's not too much waves. It's just perfect weather for sailing. So this should be a nice, lovely video. And definitely I'm going to be showing you the coastline as we go down. And we're going to be taking a look at all these lovely little black sand beaches as we go down along the coast. So guys, stay tuned, lock in, and let's get it. Yeah, just making a quick stop in Kingston, pick up a few more people, and then we will be down, heading on down to coast, and we'll see what happened there. Having a locally made rum punch. Oh, nothing too strong, but you don't know. Them things just kick. Them things just kick. Yeah. I don't get one already, come for this. Yes.
I mean, look how lush and green.
They came back.
That must have been something, because you couldn't be around here, right? They would stop you from being even out here. This close. Right, this is all the red zone.
This is so green. So green.
Very fertile, eh?
I used to always think super higher than that. It ain't really that high.
4,040.
But when you look at it,
Richmond is the second highest. This is 38.
yeah, this one look way higher.
It's also a potential volcano too, eh?
For Richmond?
Yeah. We have 5.
But you don't have no crater.
No, but they can blow out.
Ah,
They can blow
blow
out.
off it up.
Yeah. You see, like Mesopotamia Valley? That was our first volcanic crater. That was a volcano. That's why it's so fertile all the time.
Yo, that's just crazy though. But you could just tell on the top, obviously on the top where it's dry and but as you come down, just look how green it just.
And you know what they didn't do, Peter? They don't have a true documentation of the vegetation. Right? Of the vegetation that we had on the leeward as well as on the windward. They don't have any document. They have some documentation from a guy Providence who had done some on the windward side.
Yeah, man.
So that we could have known what we had
Kind of
we're getting
back, yeah.
So between that 1979 and 1902, I mean 2000, we would have had a vegetation documentation of what was there and what coming new. You know? We don't even have that. I got so much information.
It's just crazy.
Well, that's why I love this business, eh? The tourist.
Yeah, boy, just over a year ago, this was kicking up. The whole of here was ash.
Now it's lush.
Now it's lush green. Oh.
There's Fitzhughes. There's your quarry.
Oh, look at it there.
Oh, look at how that just smooth out there. It look like if it's just a road just that was right there all the time. Yeah?
A nice, you know,
Yeah, nice four-wheel drive, you go straight up.
And drive inside there, but guess what? Water running underneath the table.
Water table?
Water running underneath that. Underneath that water running.
Ah.
That's where Trinity Falls used to be. You follow that river and go all the way up, and come right into Trinity Falls.
So now there's no more Trinity Falls.
The same rock formation is still there, but it's all changed. Man, this is Richmond. This is Fitzhugh. Watch me. This is Fitzhugh. Okay? Blair, Fitzhugh. Richmond. And watch me. This is Edgerton's Bay. From this Wallaboo River here is Edgerton's Bay. This is where I was telling Peter about Colonel Edgerton. He owned all that whole valley going up inside of it.
Well, look at the ash up there. Still at the top.
Watch up in there, huh? Beautiful.
Yeah, up on the top of here. Yeah, it's still looking.
How do you hike that?
This journey.
But shouldn't it be easier to go up from here?
Oh, the leeward side is the worst.
We used to go inside
it's
it. Watch me.
route.
We used to come across the river here. You see this section right here, Peter? That new river, like that's right there. We used to walk that and go up, and then walk the ridge and go straight up the whole hillside. Doesn't the trail start in that one? That's the Trinity Falls here. Right? This one here.
It's amazing how it just
We used to walk across here and then go inside and walk and come right around. Then walk up on the ridge line and go across, and then walk that whole peak and straight up. Yeah, that's the one I think I can. That's for the crossing.
That's where she blew.
Check out how fertile that is, though, eh? That whole.
That was saying it's just only the top of the ridge alone that look a little bit.
And that's because it's still warm.
Yeah. But as you come down, when you get cooler.
It's still warm.
Green, man.
I gotta watch my slippers. I keep taking my feet out of my slippers.
Blow, yeah. But it's just amazing how it's just cut out like that. Just.
Look at that. The material inside of this is wrapped in material.
Yeah, guys, so it started to get pretty windy from this point down. So basically, what we were looking at there is all the lava flows or pyroclastic flows that came down the mountainside and just jutted out these huge pathways that kind of look like a massive highway now. You could just drive on up through the mountainside. But it's just amazing of how Mother Nature just can, in the blink of an eye, just change everything, you know.
Smell the sulfur?
Yeah, you can smell it.
Oh, what a lovely smell.
Yeah, it wasn't me. I didn't poop. It wasn't me. I swear, it wasn't me.
I didn't think that at all. Other than all the sun.
You got a whiff of it right there. But these are all lava flows, eh?
Yeah, I love that. I love seeing
all of that. You know, David, all of that is lava flows, eh?
Yeah. This is a great shot.
Yeah, right here. Yeah, right. This is beautiful. I don't even have my phone. This is crazy. Pictures for Billy. Yeah. Smell it?
Yeah, boy, you can smell that sulfur.
Beautiful. Here I destroy your lungs right now. There goes 25 years of smoking. Jesus. I would love to like
As you can see, everybody enjoying themselves, partying, having a good time, enjoying the lovely weather. For me, I'm just here taking in this beautiful scenery. and just bringing all this good footage to you guys. So hope you guys are enjoying it so far.
That's what needs to be cleaned. And then
Here you could see some close-ups of the valley, how it was completely digged out, and all the lava flow just carve out into the hill and run down to the sea. And it's just amazing, guys, how green and luscious this entire area is now looking. A little over a year ago, this entire place was covered in ash. All these trees were burnt red, and now look at it. It's just beautiful.
oh yes!
Oh man, this is so nice. Yo, the feel.
Sir, you was videoing come all the way up? I might have to get up on you, boy. I thought I've been press play. But like I press pause. Yes, sir.
This is beautiful.
Hey, Uncle Sam. Come on, we'll make fucking
Yo guys, the pressure on this water is crazy. Yo, guys, crazy. Go, go. Woo. Whoa! Yo, that's crazy! Yo, that's crazy! Crazy! Rubber man!
You can't go too high. Huh? When he drop, he ain't going bottom. Slide and come up. You make it out? Hey! I thought I took put on grease then, boy. Step them out. Yo, hey, they're coming down hard enough. Wait, so somebody stick up that protein shake up under the boys. Grandma's doing it. Grandma's doing it. Like you don't need to come and kill them fuckers down. Then boy got a bottle of milk stick up underneath there. A bottle of milk. Super, it's super. That's, hey, we don't drink premium, that's super. Oh yes. This feels so good. So good. Oh me, oh my. Oh me, oh my. Yeah. You just gonna relax. And take this in. You know. See how it goes. Scoop, scoop. Just in case it didn't get good enough. Here we go. Alright guys. So falls are balanced. I think when I was coming up the camera went out, so I didn't get a lot of the footage coming up, but I'm gonna try and get it going down. So let's do this. Let's do this. Yeah guys, and again going down, I lost the footage. Apparently the casing for the camera, the button was sticking, so it keeps turning the camera off. So even all the footage I had when I came in and first landing on the beach and all this other stuff. Some good footage, and the dinghy coming ashore from the catamaran was all gone, but we still got some pretty good footage here. So basically I just backtracked myself going down, and then on my way down I was stopped and asked to turn back because, you know, I was cameraman to take some pics for some people. So I kind of went back up and then came back down again. So basically that's yeah, that's this footage. You can see the other guys that was coming back up now. But it was extremely lovely, extremely marvelous, and I'd definitely like to go back there again, you know, after we've had lots of rain and stuff, and see how it becomes, because I mean, it's still pretty nice. Picture? You want to take it back? With my foot in pressure. Whoop. Did arm work? Better days are coming, coming. Bathe in the water and bless your soul. What you say? What you say? What you say? Woo! Woo! All right. Guys, so leaving the falls. Oh man, it was absolutely amazing. The water was amazing. Oh shit, definitely need shoes next time. Let me see how this track here look. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah guys. So yeah man. Definitely a good experience. Guys, get out there, explore your land if you get the opportunity to do so, because it's just amazing. And there she goes. Bye bye. Now we're out to the beach now, so we're just gonna wait on the boat to come in, pick me up, and we're out of here. So, till next time, you're done now. Hey guys, so this is pretty much the end of the video. Got back on the boat, headed down to Mount Beach, where we stayed for a little while, swam. Then we got back and head back to lovely Beckway. Again, guys, thank you very much for watching. As always, make sure you go hit that notification bell, subscribe, share, and let's get out there and enjoy our land, enjoy the beauty of what it is. I only wish I could do more of this stuff, but whenever I do have the opportunity, yep, I'll definitely be on it. So until next time, let's get it, let's go. Beckway man out.